Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to create a live wallpaper or a lock screen on your iPhone or your iPad. So the first thing to do is head into your settings, and this is one of the easiest ways to do it, and then come down and select wallpaper. Now within the wallpaper section you want to select add new wallpaper. Now here across the top you'll see live photo and you want to press that one. Now here it could offer you some suggestions, however I recommend going into your albums and then selecting live photos from the media type here towards the bottom, and all these will be live photos and will work. So let's select this one here. Occasionally live will automatically be turned off. So what you want to do here at the very bottom left hand corner, you'll see these two photo icons, and just next to it is the live button. You want to press that and that will turn on the live, and that's how your live photo will look. You can zoom to change it, you can add effects if they're available here on the right hand side, and once you're happy you just want to simply press add. You can set as pair or customize the home screen. Let's just set as pair for now. And there you go. That's how to create a live wallpaper or lock screen on your iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.